In this video, we're going to understand why the area of a triangle is the way it is. So if we have a triangle like this, its height is 10 centimeters and the base is 8 centimeters. So understanding area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is half times the base times the height. So to understand why this is the area, let's take a duplicate triangle and rearrange the pieces to form a rectangle. So we're just trying to show you why the area of a triangle is equal to this. So let's take this triangle, and now there's two of them. Okay, they're exactly the same. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this, flip it, and push the two triangles together. So how is that going to look? It'll look like this. So flip and push the two triangles together. So here's one, and then this is the flipped one that we push together. Okay? So step 2. Now we know the area of a rectangle is length times width. We know that. We've gone through that a lot. So it equals 10 times 8, right? So the length and the width is 10 times 8, which equals 80 square centimeters. So notice that this is for two triangles. For one triangle, we divide that in half, right? So if we take away this triangle, then the equation will be half of this. So that is how we come up with this area equals half the base times height. So notice that length and width of the rectangle are the same as the base and height of the triangle. So the area of a triangle equals half the base times the height, which is basically half of the area of a rectangle. So this is easy to show with a right angle triangle, but this is true for all triangles and not just for right angled triangles. So if you had a triangle that looked more like that, the way you would do this is you would take another triangle, cut it in half, and you would put part of the triangle here and the other part here to make up a rectangle. So you can make a rectangle with any two triangles that are exactly the same, is basically what I'm saying. So that's the end of this. So, and like I said, this is true for all triangles and not just for right angled triangles. So if you don't understand this, you could just rewatch the video again. Also, you could take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are similar to this. So you could get extra practice as well. You could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. There's a link in the ebook that brings you to this video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.